So welcome children of standard 5 in your maths class. So children, today in this class we are going to read chapter 16 lines, angles and circles of exercise 47. So through this video I am going to teach you about the parallel and perpendicular lines, how to draw parallel and perpendicular lines. So in this video, I have done a lot of work to make you understand, and now it is to you that you have to understand and see the video. Okay, see the video and try to understand it very nicely. If you have any problem, just pause and look at the video, then go to the next step and then look how to construct parallel and perpendicular lines. So now, first of all, we should know what are parallel and perpendicular lines. We will learn this. So parallel lines, what happens in the parallel lines? These are two lines, okay? Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that never intersect. So you can see here two lines, one line here and the other line here. So they never intersect. They never intersect means they do not cut each other. When you are making along, taking it up, you will find that this goes on up and they do not meet. They are not meeting. So these are called the parallel lines. The lines, wait again, I'll try to draw straight line. So here what do you find? That this line, it goes straight. Okay, one line goes straight and the other line also, it is going on straight. And when you are taking it up, they do not touch each other, they do not meet each other. So these lines are called parallel lines. They are always the same distance apart. So they are the same distance apart and they are not going to meet each other. Now perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are lines that meet at a right angle, that is at an angle that measures 90 degree. So here we are seeing two lines, one line here and the other line here. Now what do you see? They are intersecting each other. They are cutting each other at this point and they are making an angle of 90 degree. Where the perpendicular lines they make a right angle. And right angle, what is the measure of the right angle? We are knowing, we have done before. The right angle, it measures 90 degree. So now let us learn how to construct. So to draw a straight line through a given point P perpendicular to a given straight line AB, the point being outside AB. Now see here, this is the line AB, okay? So what you have to do, you have to make a perpendicular line, okay? You have to construct a perpendicular line. So you have to make a straight line on AB. So for that, what we are going to do, let us see. So you have to follow some steps. So the steps, place a set square DEF so that one of the edges DE containing the right angle lies along the given line AB. So this is the given line AB, okay? This is the given line AB, line AB. Now what you have to do, you have to put a set square. Set square you will find in your instrument box. So now the next step we are going to see how to do. The next figure, see here, this is the set square, okay? So what you have to do? You have to put a set square on the AB, okay? So that this point, okay, the set square you put on AB, you can see this D and E, this is the set square. Then you have to put the set square on AB, so that what happens, this DE touches AB. Now slide the set square along AB so that its edge DE is always in contact. So what you will do, you will put this DE which is in contact with AB, okay, with the straight line AB. You find this DE in contact with AB. Now then set square, now slide the set square AB so that its edge is always in contact with the straight line AB. So you are seeing in this also, and you have to draw a point P also. We have to draw a point P. Here also we see that in this I have drawn a point P. Now we will see that why this P is drawn. So and then when the side DF of the right angle of the set square just passes through P. So there I have drawn P, and now in the next step what I have to do, I will move the set square, okay, slide the set square so that this set square, it passes through P. Now you see that it has passed through P. Now draw a straight line. Now from here, from this P, I have drawn a straight line. Now straight line PQ through P along the edges DE. So along the edges DFC, here this is F, and you have to draw from here to here PQ of the set square. While drawing the line, hold the set square firmly. So here when you are drawing the line, okay, when you are drawing the line PQ, you have to hold the set square very firmly, very tightly, so that it does not slide. Then what you will see? Then in the next figure, now remove the set square. PQ is the required straight line perpendicular to AB. So here what do we see? When I have removed, okay, when I have removed the set square, I have found that this PQ, okay, this line PQ, I have got after removing the set square, and then that is perpendicular to AB. Now this line is AB, okay, A and B, and this is PQ. Now this is perpendicular. Perpendicular means straight. Now what this is making? How many angles? This is making 90 degree. So we have read in the definition, or perpendicular angles are what? Perpendiculars are the lines which when they come in contact with the other line, they make 90 degrees. So here you can see that the line, they are making 90 degrees. So this PQ is perpendicular to AB. Now we will learn how to construct parallel lines. So to construct the parallel lines, see, next one is to draw a straight line parallel to a given line AB through a point P. So you have to draw a parallel line to the given line AB, okay, through and the point P. So let us see how we will do. So place a set square so that one of its, first what you have to do, you have to draw a straight line, okay, straight line AB. Now after that, see, step 1, place a set square so that one of its edge, say DE, lies along the given line AB. So now see what we have done. We have put the set square along the line AB, okay, and the set square I have marked as DE, so that it touches AB. Now hold the set square in that position and place a ruler touching the set square along the edge DF. After that what we will do? See, hold the ruler we have holden, and then so that this ruler touches the DE. Now hold that ruler firmly and slide the set square along it. Now we have to hold the ruler and then firmly hold the ruler firmly, so that and slide the set square along it, and slowly we have to slide the set square. The edge DE, now see this DE, what you see, this is the point DE was originally along AB, will always remain parallel to AB. Now let us see what happens in the next figure. Just a minute. So here, when I have taken the set square above, okay, when I have taken the set square above AB, okay, holding it firmly, then you will find that, and then we have to draw the line. Now slide the set square till the edge DE passes through P. Now this is the point P, okay, this is the point P, and you have to slide it till from downside we have brought the set square up, and then till the edge DE passes through P. Now it passes through P. Hold it firmly and draw the straight line QR. Now we have holded it firmly and we have drawn a straight line QR through P. Now this is P, passing through P we have to draw a straight line. Remove the set and the ruler. QR is required straight line through P to AB. Now after doing this, we have to remove the set square and the ruler, then we will get the parallel line to AB. So here we have seen that this from here, okay, sorry, from here we have seen that we get a straight line again, straight line QR parallel to AB. So this is the straight line parallel to AB. This, like this, we have to construct the parallel line and perpendicular line. So thank you, children.